This video will discuss the solution to question 18, which goes as follows. What is a good approximation of the unity gain bandwidth? To find Ft, we can use the following approximate relation. Ft is A0 times Fb, where A0 is the DC gain of the amplifier and Fb is the negative 3 dB bandwidth frequency of the amplifier. The DC gain is found in exercise 19 to be 80. So if you're interested in the calculation of this, then please go to the video for exercise 19, and the 3 dB bandwidth frequency is found to be approximately 2 megahertz, and that is found in exercise 20. So again, if you're interested in the derivation of this value, please go to the video of exercise 20, and from that we can find that the unity gain bandwidth has to be 80 times 2 megahertz, so it is approximately 160 megahertz.